While many know Maya only for their calendar or mysterious disappearance, but actually their true brilliance lies in their engineering and architectural achievements. From towering pyramids to advanced water system, the Maya showed creativity and intelligence far beyond their time. In this video, we will explore 5 key areas of their engineering and architectural legacy. That shows that they were not just skilled builders, they were visionaries. Number 1. The pyramids and temples. The Maya pyramids are not only massive but also mathematically precise. Built without modern tools, they aligned many of their temples with astronomical events like solstices and equinoxes. Structures like El Castillo at Chichen Itza act like giant calendars, casting serpent-like shadows during the spring and autumn equinoxes. These pyramids served as religious, political, and social centers, proving that the Maya combined science, spirituality, and community life. Unlike Egyptian pyramids, which were tombs, Maya pyramids were multifunctional spaces for ceremonies and governance. Their architectural vision shows a deep understanding of both the cosmos and human society. Number 2. Advanced water management. The Maya lived in regions prone to droughts, yet they developed one of the most advanced water management systems of the ancient world. They built reservoirs, canals, and aqueducts to store and transport water efficiently. In cities like Tikal, archaeologists discovered massive underground cisterns lined with waterproof materials to preserve drinking water. Some reservoirs even contained filtration systems using quartz and zeolite, proof of early water purification techniques. These innovations reveal how the Maya combined environmental knowledge with engineering to sustain large populations. Their ability to adapt to harsh conditions reflects remarkable foresight and scientific skill. Number 3. Urban planning and infrastructure. Unlike scattered settlements, Maya cities were carefully planned. They had roads called Sagbiob, raised stone highways connecting major city centers. Some extended for miles through thick jungles, showing their commitment to trade, communication, and political unity. Their urban layouts reflected both practicality and spirituality, often aligning city designs with celestial movements. Central plazas, palaces, and temples were surrounded by residential areas, indicating a clear social and political hierarchy. The scale and organization of Maya cities highlight their engineering excellence. They were not just builders, they were urban planners who understood community design on a grand scale. Number 4. Architectural innovation and materials. The Maya built without metal tools, wheels, or pack animals, yet created stone monuments that have lasted centuries. They mastered the use of limestone, quarrying and shaping it into durable blocks. Mortar made from burnt limestone acted as an ancient cement, binding structures together with surprising strength. They also incorporated corbel arches in palaces and temples, allowing for spacious interiors without collapsing roofs. Some buildings even had acoustic designs, like ball courts, where whispers could carry across the entire structure. These details showed that Maya architecture was not just functional but also artistic and scientific. Number 5. Legacy of Maya engineering. The engineering brilliance of the Maya didn't vanish with their political decline. Many of their cities remained functional long after rulers fell, proving the durability of their designs. Today, Maya descendants still use traditional construction methods passed down through generations. Modern engineers study their techniques of sustainable design, water management, and eco-friendly architecture. The Maya left behind more than ruins. They left lessons in resilience, adaptation, and innovation. Their ability to balance environment, spirituality, and engineering continues to inspire architects, archaeologists, and scientists worldwide. Truly, the Maya civilization was ahead of its time. Till now, we have uncovered the secrets of Maya engineering, their precise pyramids, advanced water systems, planned cities, innovative building techniques, and lasting legacy. These achievements prove the Maya were not just mysterious, they were extraordinary engineers and architects.